Imagine 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 till infinite. What will be the answer? Is it possible to find it out or not? Whether the number obtained will be positive or negative. Keep watching for finding out the answer of it. Well, I am Adresh Mahajan and in this video I am going to explain you about Ramanujan's paradox, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 till infinite. So let's find it out. So for understanding it, we need to understand two types of series. First is Grandi series, which is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 till infinite. Let's consider it as a variable which is s1. So for finding out the value of s1, first we can group these. 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. 1 minus 1 0. Likewise, the value of this will be 0. Now we can also separate this one and write the same equation as 1 plus minus 1 plus 1 plus minus 1 plus 1 till infinite. If we solve it, the answer will be 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 till infinite, which will give us 1. So there are two outcomes of the same S1, which are 0 and 1. So we can take average of them, which will be 1 plus 0 by 2, which will be 1 by 2. So S1 is equals to 1 by 2. Now let's understand the second series. So which is 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 till infinite. Let's consider it as the second variable, which is S2. So for finding out this, we need to subtract S1 minus S2, which will be S1 minus S2. So S1 minus S2 will be 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 till infinite. And here we have solved the bracket. So here it was minus sign. So all the signs in the bracket are reversed. So it will be minus 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 4 minus 5 till infinite. So if we are going to solve it, 1 minus 1 will be 0, minus 1 plus 2 will be 1, plus 1 minus 3 will be minus 2, minus 1 plus 4 will be plus 3, 1 minus 5 will be minus 4, and so on, which will be 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 till infinite. And if we clearly see that this is S2, so S1 minus S2 is equals to S2. So S1 is equals to S2 plus S2 as we have transposed it. So S1 is equals to 2S2. Now we are going to transpose 2 to the LHS. So S2 is equals to S1 by 2. Now if you remember, we found the value of S1 as 1 by 2. So it will be 1 by 2 by 2, that is 1 by 4, as we are going to multiply these two. So S2 is equals to 1 by 4. Now is the third and final series, which is S3. It is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 till infinite. So for finding out S3, we are going to subtract S2 and S3. So 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 till infinite minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 till infinite. So if we are going to solve it, we are going to open the brackets here, and as it is minus sign, all the signs will be reversed. Now if we are going to solve this, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0, minus 2 is equals to minus 4, 3 minus 3 is equals to 0, minus 4 is equals to minus 8, 5 minus 5 is equals to 0, and likewise. So here we can take minus 4 common. So minus 4 multiplied by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 till infinite. Now if we clearly see, this is S3. So we can write S2 minus S3 is equals to minus 4S3. Now if we are going to transpose minus S3 there, that side. So S2 is equals to minus 4S3 plus S3. That is S2 is equals to minus 3S3. So S3 will be minus S2 by 3. And we know that the value of S2 is 1 by 4. So it will be minus 1 by 4 by 3, which will be minus 1 by 12. So the sum of all the positive numbers is minus 1 by 12, which is negative. So friends, this Ramanujan's paradox is very difficult to believe but is true, and thus it is called paradox. It was discovered by a great mathematician of India who is Srinivasa Ramanujan. Hope you liked the video and understood the infinite loop. Now we will meet in the